Zombie apocalypse.
We all know Japan as the land of rising sun. How many of you have heard that Japan is a unique country? Have you ever been to Japan? Here are some things that you might not be expecting to see on your first trip to this country. Japan is famous for being a country full of vending machines. You can buy anything from eatable to wearable. Train delays make headlines here. Punctuality is the really big thing here. All the trains have to reach station on time. No excuse. In Japan, if you sit in the cafe alone, you will get a companion to make you happy. Blushing moment, huh? Number 4 is considered as the unlucky number here. Most of the buildings don't have a 4th floor. Even number of guests can't be 4. Kit Kats are another very popular among Japan tourists. The interesting flavors like green tea, soy sauce, cherry blossom, sake, crème brûlée and ginger ale and much more. Square watermelons. Japanese farmers use special containers to get the shape. And they are pretty expensive too. Japanese kids clean their classroom every time. It is the part of their education. Great way to raise responsible kids. Japanese school kids don't take any exams until the age of 10. Japanese tries crazy ice cream flavors. You can find flavors like garlic, squid, chicken wings. Oh my god, they love weird combos. Capsule hotels are a type of lodging unique to Japan. Many foreign tourists are interested in them because not only are they cheap and safe, but also feels like living in the world of science fiction. In this country, eating KFC during holidays is a widely practiced tradition. Do you know any other unusual and exciting facts about Japan? Let me know. Leave a comment.